Flowrix e-commerce for blinds, shutters, and curtains. In this video, I will walk you through steps to duplicate a product to save time. Many options between different blinds, shutters, and curtains products are very similar. For example, we can copy a roller blind product to create motorized or double roller blind. By duplicating an existing product, you only need to make a few changes instead of adding everything. So let's see how we can duplicate a product. Let's press the copy button next to the roller blind product. Now we have a product set up with everything copied across from the original roller blind product. Let's change the name to Double Roller Blinds 2 to differentiate. You can have multiple products with the same name, but you need to specify a unique slug, the URL path for this product on the website. We also need a unique SKU and manufacturer SKU. Press save to commit changes, and don't forget to watch the video, turning a roller blind into a double roller blind. Thanks for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and watch tons of cool features in Flowrix. Expand your blinds, shutters, and curtains business with the Flowrix digital commerce platform. Start your trial today.